What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see, this beautiful woman in this photo, I guess she is standing in the middle of the traditional market, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into this fun Halloween party, and also we can change the costume. And here, as you can see, that she is wearing the fairy costume. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, to celebrate the Halloween, we don't need to be the spooky all the time, but we can make it as a fun vibe. So here I use the Nano Banana, and I use it from the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to do the photo editing with using the Nano Banana in Gemini AI, then it is very okay because this also accessible. And of course, don't forget to do the login first with your email. And here, this is the look of the homepage of Google AI Studio. And I will click this Try Nano Banana. And the next step is I will upload the picture. For example, I will choose this one. And after that, in this section, I will start to put the prompt into this section. And basically, this prompt would be like this. Transform this person in the image into the someone having fun at the vibrant Halloween party. Give her a playful and creative Halloween costume, perhaps something recognizable or uniquely spooky. And add the subtle Halloween makeup, like the artistic cobwebs, and also the glitter or exaggerated features. And the background would be the lively Halloween party scene, as you can see, and also creating the festive atmosphere. Her expression should be joyful and engaging, and also reflecting the fun of the party. And also, one of the important thing, the lighting should be atmospheric with a mix of warm and eerie glows from the party lights. Something like this, guys. This is the lights. And after that, we can continue to click run and kindly for the output. Well guys, basically this is the same prompt to get the output of the picture like this, guys. However, the output can be also different. And if you would like to get the another output, then don't worry, because you can click rerun this turn and kindly wait for the another output. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and also don't forget to try this prompt, and please let us know on the comment section if this prompt also worked for you. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.